Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is amplitude, the maximum displacement from rest. By the end of this video, you'll know how to measure it and how it relates to energy. Amplitude is the maximum displacement of a wave from its rest position. For a transverse wave, it's how far up or down the crest goes from the center line. Larger amplitude means more energy in the wave, louder sound, brighter light. Three things. 1. Amplitude is measured from the rest position to the peak, not peak to trough. 2. Peak to trough distance is twice the amplitude. 3. Energy in a wave is proportional to amplitude squared. Doubling amplitude quadruples energy. Common slip, confusing amplitude with peak to trough distance. If a wave goes 5 centimeters above rest and 5 centimeters below, the amplitude is 5 centimeters, not 10 centimeters. Peak to trough would be 10 centimeters. Quick example. A guitar string vibrating with amplitude 2 millimeters sounds at a certain volume. Pluck it harder, so the amplitude is 4 millimeters. The volume is 4 times louder, because energy goes as amplitude squared, or 6 decibels louder on a sound meter. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in those subjects, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.